In front of me is OPPO Pad Neo, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage. Begin by opening Play Store and installing free app called Files by Google from Google Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, you need to set it up. In order to do that, select Continue in the pop-up, then tap on Allow, and click on gray switcher next to Allow access to manage all files. Finally, click on Clean at the top left corner between those three lines and Browse section. Then click on Clean next to Junk files. And last but not least, confirm your choice by hitting Clear in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, storage of my OPPO was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!